TCP Smart. No hub, no subscriptions, and no hassle. The TCP Smart Wi-Fi Doorbell ensures you never miss a visitor. You can live stream video direct to your mobile. Two-way communication allows you to see and talk with visitors or an intruder. There is no need for a costly subscription, as the TCP Smart Doorbell comes with 8 GB of internal storage that allows you to store up to 4 hours of footage. The TCP Smart Doorbell comes complete with a plug-in indoor chime, so you'll never miss someone calling if you're away from your phone. If you get a delivery whilst you're away, you'll receive a notification on your mobile. This allows you to talk to the delivery driver and tell them to leave your package in a safe place. Take control of your home security today. Discover the complete TCP Smart range at tcpsmart.eu. TCP Smart. Fit, connect, play.